Sneezing? Congestion? Let's find you the right allergy relief fast. If your main issue is sneezing, runny nose, or itchy eyes, antihistamines are your go-to. They block histamines, which are the chemical that causes your allergies to flare up. But if you're feeling stuffed up, can't breathe, or your nose feels swollen, nasal corticosteroids hit the inflammation at the source. Here's the key. Antihistamines work best for mild, quick symptoms. Corticosteroids are for ongoing, more stubborn allergies. Use them right, every day if needed. And heads up, some antihistamines may make you drowsy. Need help choosing the right one? Ask your local pharmacy today.